Morning students, we are doing pedagogy quiz for data structure subject. So I request everyone to join the quiz link. I think most of them have joined, 19 members have joined. I posted the quiz link in the chat. So you ask your friends to join, just you click on the chat, click on the link means you can be able to join in the quiz. After everyone joined, I will start the quiz. 20 members have joined, 10 more members have to join. Ask your friends to join first. I will start the quiz within 4 minutes. Shall I start? Respond me, shall I start? I am audible to everyone. Am I audible to everyone? I am only talking. No one is responding. Respond me.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I start the quiz? Anybody is trying to log in into the portal? Did everyone join? Only 24 have joined. Okay, shall we start now? The question is visible to everyone. Only 1 minute for a question. We have to answer it. Which of these tree traversal method is used to output the contents of a binary tree in ascending order? The question is visible to everyone. Respond me. Is the question is visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you answering the question? Second question. What is a tree? Data structure similar to a graph with no loops. An object in a graph also known as vertex. A join of relationship between nodes are also known as arc. What will be the definition for a tree? I want everyone to answer fast. What will be the answer for this? What is the value of root node in this tree? What will be the answer of the root node in this tree? Are you answering? Binary tree. What would be the definition of a binary tree? How many leaves are there in the tree? How many leaf nodes are there in the tree? See this diagram. Check how many trees are there in the tree. Can you able to answer the quiz? Anybody facing trouble means send me a message. A kind of tree where every node in a tree can have at most 2 children. So which tree can have a maximum of 2 children? Binary expression tree, binary search tree, tree. Answer fast. Only 30 seconds time for each thing. What is a data structure? You tell me the definition. What would be the definition of a data structure? Root has more left descents than the right descents, or vice versa. So what type of tree? root as more left child than the right child or vice versa? What would be the answer? Now they have given a binary search tree. Insert 27, 15, 63, 99 in the order into the binary search tree. What will be the post order traversal? Take this tree, note down the numbers that you want to insert. I give 2 minutes time. I want everyone to do this. Take a binary, note down the tree in a paper. Solve it and tell me what will be the answer. Answer fast. If you are facing any problem, you can tell me. And this is an online class. Please respond me, then only I know whether you are in the connection or not. Is the question is difficult to answer? So after adding the values, this will in this tree there would be a the new value 7 be placed. So they are given a simple binary tree where the new value 7 will be placed, where we'll be adding the 7. Only 30 seconds time. Do it fast. given a sequence of number below. So when create a binary search tree, what would be the height of the tree? So you're creating a binary search tree. After creating a binary search tree, what would be the height of that tree? When traversing a binary tree, which diagram is post order? See the diagram, what would be the post order? If it is the post order, first we have to travel the left subtree and then right subtree and then root. In pre-order traversal of a binary tree, the second step. First step, we will be visiting the root. What will be the second step? Answer fast. So first we are visiting the root and next step we will be visiting the left subtree. So in this diagram, first you have to find what would be the pre-order. A tree is composed of dash nodes by edge or lines. The decision tree begins at a node called dash. So the decision tree structures begins from the root. What would be the definition for a root? So root will be the starting node in the tree, first node in the tree. So what would be the answer? Only 30 seconds time, only 3 more questions. Within that, we will wind up the session. Answer it fast. What are the 3 depth traversals for a tree traversal? What will be the order? Pre-order, in-order, and post-order. Answer it fast. What will be the correct answer? Definition of a data structure. Organizing and storing data. A balanced tree has equal number of items on each subtree. True or false? Answer it fast. A balanced tree has equal number of items on each subtree. So all have completed. We are calculating the result. Sweta, I won the quiz.